Hi, Alexis.
So I see you have something cool for us. It looks like a pencil case to me, but I feel like you're going to tell me this is not a pencil case.
It's actually transformer-like. It's gonna unfurl for you here.
Ooh.
So what we are actually looking at is an early 20th century porcelain painting kit.
Whoa.
And more than likely, it would have been owned by a woman. It starts around the Centennial Exhibition in Philadelphia. Tons of imported porcelain is on display, so people are seeing examples from all over the world, really beautiful styles and colors.
Right.
And also there's the women's pavilion at the Centennial, so they're able to see examples of porcelain painting by other women.
Right.
So it starts this kind of craze, and it became a respectable field for women to enter that wasn't domestic service or caretaking and that sort of thing. So it was a kind of professional class of women porcelain painters emerged out of this too. You may have seen stuff about China painting and porcelain painting is really popular now. Again, the sort of paint night thing.
Yeah, I have done those. I would not put anything I've done on display, but I have done them, yes.
Well, I feel like any of those fad articles that you see now, like porcelain painting, the new craze, they could have been written in the 1880s.
Because that's when it's
just as easily, yeah.
Right.
So ceramics continues to be something that women are interested in, but also are considered skilled and expert in. And this little set kind of helps tell that story.
I love it. Thanks for sharing it with us.
Oh, my pleasure.
All right.